Hi, I'm Dr. Betsy Bakeman, President of the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, and I want to discuss the AACD's Charitable Foundation's Give Back a Smile program. Give Back a Smile gives our member volunteers, dentists, laboratory technicians, the opportunity to positively change lives by healing the effects of domestic violence. Please join us at our annual scientific session in Orlando, where you can support the program and join in the fun at the annual Give Back a Smile event at Top Golf on Thursday evening. Or join the Steps for Smiles competition at the conference site. We've made it easy and gratifying to make a difference in the lives of survivors of domestic violence. Again, a big thank you to the volunteer dentists and technicians that are already involved in Give Back a Smile. For those of you that aren't yet involved, join us and see what a difference a smile can make.